Hey my loves, welcome back to my channel. So guys, in today's video I'm going to be taking you through my trip from Abuja to Bauchi, where I lived most of my childhood. Okay, so guys, you guys should stick to this video because it's going to be packed with lots of interesting things you need to know. Okay. Mwah. Once you enter just, you know that you've entered just, heat reduces. We also stopped to eat food here. We stopped to buy tomatoes and pepper.
Tomatoes 9,000. This one 1,500. 3,000. 13,000. 7,500.
6,000. 6,000. 6,000. See all the things we buy for your hand. Stop. So guys, I've not rested since I came. I've been cleaning because everywhere was dusty because of the hammer time, and then this morning now I'm sorting out clothes that I'm no longer using and my sister is no longer using, so that we can give it out to people. So everywhere is kind of messy right now. Sorting out these clothes here, this one's here, and this to show you this. When I started my YouTube channel newly, this was what I was using. This is a selfie stick. I didn't have a tripod stand, so I converted my selfie stick into this. I just took a bowl, put stones in it, and voila, it was standing. And that's what I was using as my tripod. This is how long it is. So if I wanted to make a content that requires me to stand, I'll just put it on this table. And if I want to make a content that requires me to sit, I'll just bring it down to my required height. So you see, never say never. Hi guys, so it's another day. I've rested very well. They've allowed me to rest very well. So now it's time to be doing my house girl duties. So today I'm going to be taking you guys through the my activities for today. I'm going to the market. I'm cooking 3 pots of soup. So I'm going to be taking you through the ingredients, everything I'm going to buy in the market. I'm going to cook the soup, the preparations and everything. So stay tuned. Say hi to the camera. How can a body like me take you by? That's Specialist Hospital Bauchi. So this is more than a one market. This is 200 naira. 200 naira. Actually, It's cheaper inside, Abby.
Customer,
3,000. Exactly my budget. Perfect. I won't buy ogbono. Ogbono one cup egoni. 3.5. Book receipt. Then egusi one mudu. Okay, give me one mudu. Yes, yes. 100 naira. No crazy 100 naira again. I leave now. No, wait, they don't wash. How much? I won't buy 1,000 naira. Okay. Then ugu 1,000, 1,500 ugu. Yes, ma'am. This is ugu 2,500. Oh yeah, who do calculation? Give me ogiri 200. I change every time. That's thickener, cocoyam powder. This one go do. Okay. Ina Bani iron sponge. Now I want. How about the baby? 1.5. Bamu kuli pepper. I mean, like the same thing. Why this one brown? Why this one brown? This one yellow. They look alike. What's the difference between the two? They look alike. This millet. This what be joro for English? Okay, but I'm one. This one will be white.
This one the swell of pass, but this one the sweet pass.
Okay. One mudu. Say about soya beans. Mudu nani mudu there. 1.3. How about malam? You give me now. Nani zaka ba mu last? To kawo. Mudu daya shima. Wani area ne mata jira da rawa ba, hankalin kai da wujudin nan. 4,000. Ko? Guda biyu. To kawo guda biyu. Size 40, 41. Guda daya sai the other. Yayi mun injury a kafa. Ka gani?
Wallahi dai ji miki ciwo.
Wallahi. Na gode.
Wa alaikum salam. Ina wuni? Ya gida.
But very cool. Yeah, lalace ai.
Abashi.
I feel more comfortable now, and I can walk properly. Because my legs were hurting so bad. The review. Ready down, ba? Ready down. Listen, down. Okay, my this thing. Thank you. Bring them. Wait, you have to come out like that. Come out and one. This one now, listen. The lettuce and this one. Okay. Bring that rubber. So I go put the pepper. Come on the head.
No, I called and one of them even did their part.
You don't ask me how I survived this road.
How did you? Oh, your hair is so fine.
Developed that I didn't even know where.
Guess who is in my house? Girl. Yes, now. Are you serious? It's different. Yeah, it's different. Even me. Development. Bauchi have changed. My friend, it's a busy kitchen. Everybody is busy.
Guys, I came to visit this girl, but then again, coming.
Yes, work. Hold on.
People that this type of like now like watching very well.
Yeah.
This Karago pepper, give me for the one you use for the song. I'm gonna be asking the person. What concern you? You see, it's even a different thing that you
Yeah,
get.
this one don't have pepper. My friend. It's not fit state yet for the disco. Please tell me. Which yard? Did you get it? I forgot. I went to the market and the cow leg was on the fire. That's the most important thing.
Yes. I need some Maggi.
Yes, pour the canned chicken inside the pot, then throw the water away.
Egusi and what I need.
Egusi, bitter leaf. So this is the bush meat. It was roasted like that without. It's not spicy, so I'm trying to steam it a little with spice so that I'll just pick it and put it into the egusi soup. All right. I don't want it to boil for too long so it doesn't piece it. You get? So that's what I'm basically doing here like this. So I just want it to steam a little. Okay. So you could have taste. The water I put is very, very little. You can even like barely see. You get. So why you whispering?
Because I don't want to spoil your video. I just say that she's recording video, so that's all.
Please make sure you watch my vlog. Okay? Thank you.
I'll send it to you.
So let's cover it to steam a little more and then we're good to go.
Are you done?
Yes, I'm done. Guys, this is local salad. Reduce them again. Yes. That one is okay. Guys, this is local salad. If you test this thing, oh my god. Authentic mama. That's what I'm using water. My blended onion. This is my crayfish. The next thing I'm going to add is cow leg, but I'm not using much here. I'm not using much of it. So now that it has boiled, I'm now going to put my bushmeat. Oh my god. So I'm going to put my bushmeat inside. I like plenty of inside my egusi. Okay, you have to turn gently because you don't want the bushmeat to pieces. So you have to be very careful while stirring. So I'm going to cover and allow to steam for a few minutes and I'm done with this. So this is my ogbono, grounded with crayfish already. the reason why I'm tying it like this. That's why you say I put rope inside so that the meat will not scatter. Don't wash anything. So that you're gonna see I'll just allow it to boil just once, because if you boil plenty, it will cook. So I'll just allow it to boil once. Then I'll bring it down. I already have my meat, my tomato inside here. Oh, just mix them. This is my cow leg. Oh, like this one. Then the thickener too. I'll just use the thickener. I don't want to give you more. So this is the cocoyam. I couldn't get fresh cocoyam, so we got cocoyam powder. So that's what I'm pouring inside here. Precious. Look this way this smell. So this is ogiri. Abi? It's going to add flavor to it. So this is the thickener. You get the point. Yes. Everything. Trust me to always put vegetables. Everything. Voila! I'm done. Two egusi ogbono Italy pepper soup. So this is stew here. This line. Then this line is egusi. This line is Italy. Then this line is ogbono. Then this is